Builders, they're listening to buyer needs and creating more age-restricted communities. Now, today, I'm north of Charlotte in the town of Catawba at the retreat at Laurelbrook. Stanley Martin Homes' latest entry into the 55-plus market. All 5 plans offered here are single-story homes, but some will come with a finished half-story upstairs to give you some more room. Home sizes range from around 1,500 to 2,700 square feet. Pricing, that ranges from the mid-400s to the low 500s before any incentives. All homes come with fully sodded yards, and put away your lawnmower because all lawn care is included in your monthly HOA fee. Stanley Martin is building 226 homes here, and it's part of a larger master plan community that offers a mix of age-restricted and non-age-restricted single-family homes. This way you can enjoy the convenience of having your family in the same community while still enjoying your own space. Amenities will include a pool, a 7,000 square foot clubhouse, and pickleball courts, all dedicated to only the residents of this 55-plus community. Let's take a tour of one of their 2 on-site models. That one right there, it's called the Easton. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and comes in at 2,651 square feet. Now, with upgrades, this home is going to run you around $502,000 before any promotional discounts, but they can be significant, so stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'll discuss their latest incentives. So, let's see what you get for your money. The retreat at Laurelbrook, it's about a 55-minute drive south down into uptown Charlotte. If you head up to Hickory, it's about 35 minutes to the northwest. Do some shopping up there for some furniture. Lake Norman, not all that far away. You can see Mooresville here. That's about a 25-minute drive. And the nearest boat launch, really very close. When you look at it here on the map, this is the Long Island Marina and Dry Storage. There's a boat ramp here too. That's only about 7 minutes from the retreat. As I promised at the beginning of this video, here are the possible incentives from the builder and the preferred lender. $25,000 for a VIP discount, $10,000 for closing costs, and they may include a refrigerator and blinds. So what do you think of the retreat at Laurelbrook? If you found this information helpful, please leave me a comment and like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next new construction tour. I'm always here to help you with your real estate needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.